Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing how to replace a cabin filter on a BMW X3 2017, and the cabin filter is actually located on the passenger side right here by the vents. Okay, so you're actually going to take this apart and be able to access the cabin filter. All right, so let's dive into it. We're going to take out this to be able to have easy access. I'm going to take out this wire. It's actually hooked in, so I'm going to take it apart. Okay, then remove this, so I can have an easy access. Then pull this out. Okay, so take this out of the way. Then the cabin filter is located inside here, so I have to take this out of the way as well to be able to access the air filter. So there's a latch right here. I don't know if you can see. There's a latch like right here, so you have to pull it. You have to push the latch in, and then, or rather, pull this latch out, then push it out to be able to access the cabin filter. All right, so there you go. Now, and this is the cabin filter. All right, so just take it out. So just take it out and see. Ooh, this is so dirty. Bring it out on the sun so you can see how bad it is. This is so dirty. Can't believe I've been consuming this much dust while driving. But anyways, so I have to replace this with a brand new one in a few minutes. Also, when replacing it, be mindful of the airflow. As you can see, this is showing down. So when you're replacing it, make sure that the new one is going to show. You're going to put it facing for the. You're going to put it in a way that the airflow will be showing down. Okay. So, all right, and so this is the brand new air filter, cabin filter. You can see there is much difference. See, wow. So this is super clean, and you can see the airflow. So when I'm putting this, I have to put it this way. Okay, the airflow is pointing down, so I have to make sure I put it this way. Okay, so let's go ahead and do it. There you go. I've replaced the cabin filter, so I'm going to cover it with a compartment. Then I'm going to replace the cover. So it goes in like this. Just like this. And cover the put everything back in place. Okay, so there you go. This is how to replace a cabin filter on a BMW X3 2017. And if you learned something from this video, please give me a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. That way you'll be able to get alerts or notifications when I drop new videos.